let's talk about how we hold our instruments. All right, so first, let's put on our shoulder rest. So take your instrument and put the neck between your knees here. You don't want to lay it down ever like that. It will smush the strings and the bridge. So make sure that your shoulder rest is fitted for your instrument. So you have to adjust how wide it is and tighten that up. So we want it to curve like this, so it could be a happy face. We don't want any sad violins. And you simply put one side on and pull it down. You might want to experiment with how angled you want it. Now, let's start off with holding the violin by the side, the top bout right here. And in our rest position, we're going to keep it on our left knee. Now, I want you to keep holding on with your left hand and bring it right in front of you. Right in front of you, you're going to have that arm nice and straight, right above that left leg. And that's going to make sure that you are in good posture, because we are sitting at the edge of our seats, just our bums, no legs. Our backs are nice and straight, no slouching here. And so put it in front. And right now, let's go into guitar position. So this is one, let's do a half. And we're going to take the back of the instrument and put it right against our belly, just like that. And we're going to wrap this right arm around it. When in guitar position like this, we put our fingers underneath of our fingerboard here so that we can pluck with that thumb. So let's do that again. From our knee, we do one right out in front of us and a half, and bring it right there on your belly. Fingers tucked on the fingerboard right here so that you can pluck with your thumb. All right, now let's do violin position. Violin position, we are going to bring it to our bodies. We want to bring the instrument to us, not ourselves to our instrument. So when we go all the way up, I want you to be aware of how this is going to fit on us. It's curved so that it goes on our shoulder and our chest. So I always want you to think shoulder, chest, chin. You're going to bring it right down. So we're not going to put our chin on the chin rest. That's more of a jaw rest. And we're going to hook it with our jaw right there. So let's try this out. Watch first. So 1 over top of my left leg. 2 is all the way upside down, and I still have this long arm. And then I'm going to bend for 3. I'm going to feel shoulder, chest, and then bring my chin straight down so that I'm grabbing the chin rest with my jaw right there. So let's do that together. So on the knee, I'm checking my posture. My feet are firmly on the floor. My bum is on the chair, and my back is nice and straight. Shoulders are square. 1, 2 is upside down. 3 is bend that arm. I'm going to feel shoulder, chest, and chin. I'm going to bring that straight down so that I can grab it just like this. So when I pluck in violin position, I take my right hand and I make this backwards L. I put my thumb on the side of the fingerboard here and use my first finger so that I can pluck all of my strings. Now I want to always use the side up here so that I'm plucking over the fingerboard, because we never want to touch this area between the bridge and the fingerboard, because that's where our bow goes. We have oils on our fingers and we don't want to transfer the oil to the strings and then to our bow. That would hurt the bow. So let's do this one more time. We do 1, 2, bend the arm, 3, shoulder, chest, chin. And it's nice and tucked right there. and I'm not bringing my shoulders forward. I'm bringing my instrument to me. Keep practicing this. Do this in front of the mirror. Do this in front of your family. Have them help you out so that you can make sure that you're holding your instrument properly. Thanks, and practice makes awesome.